Using a wooden desktop mobile phone holder offers numerous benefits, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to improve their work or personal environment. These simple yet elegant tools bring together practicality, style, and sustainability, offering a variety of advantages that go beyond what many plastic or metal alternatives can provide. Whether you're working from home, studying, or simply relaxing with your phone, a wooden mobile phone holder can enhance both your physical workspace and mental clarity. Wooden desktop mobile phone holders are also great pieces to make money and profit big as a woodworker. One of the most immediate advantages of using a wooden mobile phone holder is the aesthetic appeal it brings to your workspace. Unlike plastic holders, which often look cheap or overly utilitarian, wooden holders add a touch of natural warmth and elegance to your desk or table. Wood has a timeless quality that complements various interior design styles, from modern minimalist to rustic or industrial. The natural grain and texture of the wood can create a soothing and harmonious environment, promoting a sense of calm and balance. This subtle beauty can enhance the overall atmosphere of a room, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden desktop mobile phone holder ideas you can consider building to make money and high profit as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another benefit is the durability of wooden phone holders. While plastic and metal options may wear down over time, especially with frequent use, a high-quality wooden holder can last much longer. Wood, particularly types like oak, walnut, or maple, is known for its strength and resilience. Even under constant use, a well-crafted wooden holder can withstand the test of time. The durability of wood also extends to its ability to resist scratches and dents. While it may show signs of wear over the years, these imperfections can often add character and charm, contributing to the item's unique, rustic look. In addition to being long-lasting, wooden phone holders are environmentally friendly. As more people become conscious of their environmental impact, choosing wood over synthetic materials like plastic is a sustainable choice. Many wooden phone holders are made from responsibly sourced timber, making them a more eco-friendly option compared to other materials. Wood is a renewable resource, and when managed properly, forests can regenerate and provide a continuous supply. By opting for a wooden holder, users can reduce their reliance on plastic, which often ends up in landfills and contributes to pollution. Furthermore, wood is biodegradable, so even if the holder eventually reaches the end of its life, it won't linger in the environment for centuries like plastic does. Ergonomics is another area where wooden phone holders shine. Many people use their phones for extended periods throughout the day, whether for work, entertainment, or communication. Holding a phone in your hand for long hours can cause discomfort or strain on your wrists, hands, and neck. A wooden holder allows you to position your phone at an optimal viewing angle, reducing the need to constantly hold it. This can improve your posture and help prevent the repetitive stress injuries that often result from prolonged use of mobile devices. The design of the holder can also support various angles of adjustment, giving users the flexibility to find the most comfortable position for their specific needs. Furthermore, wooden holders often provide a stable and secure base for your phone. The weight and structure of the wood typically ensure that your device remains in place, minimizing the risk of it toppling over. In contrast, lighter materials like plastic may be less stable, and you might find yourself constantly adjusting your phone to keep it from falling. Stability is particularly important when you're using your phone for video calls, watching movies, or following a recipe while cooking. A secure phone holder ensures that your device stays put, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without distraction. Another advantage of wooden mobile phone holders is their versatility. Many designs feature adjustable angles or rotating components, allowing users to customize the holder based on their individual preferences. Whether you're typing, watching a video, or using your phone as a navigation tool, an adjustable holder can be positioned to suit your activity. This flexibility makes wooden phone holders ideal for a wide range of purposes. Some holders even include additional compartments or features, such as slots for holding business cards, pens, or other small items, further increasing their functionality and practicality. Wooden holders also provide a certain level of sophistication and class. In professional environments, a sleek, wooden mobile phone holder can help create a polished and refined workspace. It demonstrates a level of attention to detail and can leave a positive impression on clients, colleagues, or visitors. While the functionality of a phone holder is important, the appearance of the holder can enhance your personal brand or the image you wish to project in a work setting. The combination of style, quality, and practicality can make a wooden holder an elegant addition to any office desk or home study. For those who appreciate the art of craftsmanship, wooden phone holders also offer the benefit of being handmade or custom designed. Many artisans craft phone holders using traditional woodworking techniques, which can add a unique touch to each piece. Each holder may have subtle variations in the wood grain or finish, making every one slightly different. This individuality can give the holder a personal feel, as opposed to mass-produced, factory-made items. If you're looking for something truly special or a gift with personal meaning, choosing a handcrafted wooden mobile phone holder can provide an extra layer of thoughtfulness and consideration. Wooden phone holders are also relatively easy to maintain. Unlike plastic, which can discolor, crack, or accumulate dust in a way that makes it hard to clean, wood generally requires little maintenance to stay looking its best. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is often all that is needed to remove dust and fingerprints. For more stubborn dirt or stains, a wood polish or oil can restore the surface and keep it looking new. Some people even enjoy the process of caring for their wooden items, appreciating the way the wood evolves and develops a patina over time. This routine maintenance can help maintain the aesthetic quality of the holder, ensuring it continues to enhance your workspace for years. In a world increasingly filled with digital distractions, using a wooden mobile phone holder can also have a psychological benefit. By providing a designated place for your phone, the holder helps to create a boundary between your work or relaxation space and the constant presence of digital notifications. Instead of having your phone constantly within reach, which can lead to unnecessary checking or distractions, a phone holder encourages you to engage with your device intentionally. Whether you're using the phone for work or taking a break to watch a video, having a holder means you're more likely to be present with what you're doing, rather than mindlessly scrolling. This can foster mindfulness and help you maintain a healthier relationship with your phone. Additionally, wooden phone holders can provide a sense of grounding and connection to nature. In an increasingly digital and urban world, having natural elements like wood in your space can evoke feelings of calm and relaxation. The organic texture of wood, with its inherent imperfections and unique patterns, can be a reminder of the natural world outside. This connection to nature can promote mental well-being, reduce stress, and enhance focus. For those who value sustainability, the use of wood in their environment can serve as a constant reminder of their commitment to the planet. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden desktop mobile phone holder ideas you can consider building to make money and high profit as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.